of Police of Dangas UPS, it is of great pleasure to have become part of this story. Let us add up new pages to this journey with flying colors and meaningful conversation, working hand in hand for public safety concerns and continuous development of our home Dangas. Without further ado, together, let us make history. Thank you all, and once again, welcome.
That was the time of General Martin and Colonel Lupang. That was the first time I came into this area, our municipality. Kaya tinawat mo dahil adlooking PNP building. But now, 17 years later, I am here to a new, expanding new building. Thanks to all of you.
Once again, I extend my warmest thanks, and together let us continue to work hand in hand towards a brighter future for Dangas and for the province of Abra. Let us be guided with the wisdom of the new Chief PNP and assure the public that we are serious in saying that sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng police, ligtas ka. Thank you very much. Good morning to all, and maraming salamat po.
The ribbon. 1, 2, 3, go. Again, at count of 3, you may unveil the commemorative markers. 1, 2, 3, go.